short journey to Ligo, an award-winning work of architecture nestled deep in the heart of the Wolgan Valley. Here the journey slows down, the land takes over, a rugged descent into a quieter world. Ligo waits, tucked between escarpments, bathing in the reflective glory. As the afternoon fades, the escarpment catches fire. A slow burn of light and stone, painting the valley in golds and ambers. Here the day doesn't end, it drifts quietly into something softer. As my time here wraps up, I've come to realise that some places aren't meant to be passed through. They're meant to be paused in, breathed in, remembered. Ligo isn't just a place in the Wolgan Valley. It's a quiet reminder of how stillness can feel like belonging. And maybe, if we're lucky, part of us stays here too. And finally, guys, thank you for staying with me on this little journey. I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.